Welcome to today's episode. In this series, we dive deep into one of the most transformative books of our time, The Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle, a guide that helps us break free from the noise of the mind, step into the present moment, and discover a peace that exists beyond thought. Most people spend their lives trapped in constant thinking, identifying with their thoughts and emotions. This mental identification often leads to stress, anxiety, and dissatisfaction with life. Toll emphasizes the importance of becoming aware of your mind without judgment. Instead of letting thoughts control you, you can step back and observe them as a witness. This practice creates a space of awareness where your true self, the observer, emerges. Separate from mental chatter. Your thoughts and emotions are not your true identity. They are patterns created by the mind. Suffering is largely caused by over-identifying with past regrets or worrying about the future. Being fully present in the current moment, the now, releases mental tension and brings inner peace. Observing your thoughts creates a gap between thinking and being, allowing spiritual growth and self-awareness. Acceptance of the present moment, rather than resisting it, reduces inner conflict and opens the door to joy and freedom. Toll encourages mindfulness and conscious presence as a daily practice. By observing your mind and disidentifying from your thoughts, you can break free from automatic patterns, emotional reactions, and habitual stress. He explains that most pain originates not from external circumstances, but from our identification with the mind and ego. Toll emphasizes that awareness of the present moment is the key to breaking free from mental and emotional pain. By observing thoughts and emotions without attachment, we stop feeding the ego and reduce unnecessary suffering. Pain often comes from resisting the present moment or clinging to past and future thoughts. The mind tends to create stories about what is and what should be, which amplifies suffering. Consciousness, being fully present, allows you to witness thoughts and emotions without becoming them. Accepting the now dissolves inner conflict and opens the door to peace, joy, and clarity. The more you practice awareness, the less control the ego has over your emotions and reactions. True peace and fulfillment are found not in thinking or dwelling on the past or future, but in fully inhabiting the now. Toll explains that most people are trapped in mental patterns, constantly reliving memories or anticipating the future. This prevents them from connecting with life at its source, the present moment. By consciously bringing attention to the now, we can dissolve anxiety, stress, and inner conflict. Life only exists in the present. The past and future are mental constructs. Becoming aware of the now allows you to step out of the mind's constant chatter. Fully experiencing the present moment increases clarity, joy, and inner peace. Resistance to the present moment creates tension, while acceptance opens the door to freedom. Mindfulness and presence help you observe thoughts without being dominated by them. Engage in daily activities, walking, eating, or listening, with full attention and awareness. Presence is the foundation for happiness, inner peace, and spiritual growth. He explains that most people live unconsciously, either dwelling on the past or worrying about the future, which prevents them from experiencing life fully. Toll identifies common mental strategies used to escape the now: overthinking, constantly analyzing, planning, or rehashing past events; blaming, projecting responsibility for your discomfort onto others or circumstances; resisting the present, rejecting what is happening now and wishing things were different. Attachment to thought, believing that your identity and happiness are tied to mental narratives. Avoiding the present moment fuels anxiety, stress, and dissatisfaction. The mind naturally wants to avoid the now because it perceives it as incomplete or uncertain. Conscious awareness allows you to observe these patterns without judgment. Accepting the present moment breaks the mind's resistance and reduces suffering. Being present allows you to transcend mental noise, egoic thinking, and emotional pain. Tolle emphasizes that the state of presence is not something you create with effort, but something you allow by letting go of identification with the mind. When fully present, you experience clarity, inner peace, and a heightened sense of being. Presence is the doorway to true consciousness and spiritual awakening. It is experienced when attention is fully in the now, free from past or future preoccupations. Emotional pain diminishes when you accept and observe it rather than resist it. Presence allows you to respond rather than react, creating conscious and effective choices. He explains that by connecting with the inner energy of the body, we can step out of mental noise and egoic thinking and enter a state of deep awareness. Toll emphasizes that most people live in their minds, disconnected from the living body within. By bringing attention inward, you become present, experience life more fully, and reduce stress, anxiety, and emotional suffering. The body is a powerful anchor to the present moment. Focusing on inner sensations creates awareness beyond thought. Energy flows through the body and can be felt when attention is shifted inward. This practice helps dissolve identification with the mind and ego. The inner body connects you to the now, cultivating vitality and presence. Most people are completely absorbed in the manifested world, the world of forms, thoughts, and material reality. By accessing the unmanifested, we transcend mental noise and egoic identification, experiencing peace, stillness, and spiritual freedom. The unmanifested is the source of life, consciousness, and being. Awareness of the unmanifested dissolves the ego and reduces suffering. Silence, stillness, and deep attention serve as portals to this dimension. Everyday moments can become gateways to the unmanifested if approached with presence. Connection to the unmanifested strengthens intuition, creativity, and inner peace. Most suffering in relationships comes from egoic needs, expectations, and identification with thought patterns. Toll emphasizes that when we bring awareness and presence into relationships, we can transcend the usual cycles of conflict, judgment, and attachment. Enlightened relationships are rooted in consciousness, not dependency, and allow love, understanding, and deep connection to flourish. Most relationship pain arises from projecting past experiences or future expectations onto others. Ego driven relationships are based on control, neediness, or resistance. Presence allows you to see others as they are, without judgment or projection. Enlightened relationships focus on connection and awareness rather than ego satisfaction. Conflicts dissolve when both parties are present and observe their own mind patterns. Eckhart Tolle explains that true peace exists beyond the duality of happiness and unhappiness. He emphasizes that both states are temporary and dependent on external conditions, while real inner peace comes from being fully present and not identifying with the mind. Tull highlights that happiness is often confused with life satisfaction or emotional highs, but these moments inevitably shift. When you rely on external circumstances for happiness, you also set yourself up for unhappiness when those circumstances change. The key, he says, is to connect with a deeper dimension within you, the dimension of being, which is constant and untouched by external events. Happiness and unhappiness are two sides of the same coin and are both rooted in the mind. True peace arises when you step beyond mental judgments, attachments, and resistances. Presence allows you to observe emotional states without becoming trapped in them. Emotional pain decreases when you fully accept each moment as it is. When you stop searching for happiness in the future, you experience peace in the now. Toll explores the transformative power of surrender, not as giving up or being passive, but as fully accepting the present moment as it is. Surrender means letting go of mental resistance and allowing life to unfold without fighting reality. Toll emphasizes that most suffering comes from resisting what is happening. When you surrender to the now, you align with life instead of fighting against it, and this alignment brings clarity, strength, and peace. Surrender is acceptance, not weakness. Resistance creates tension, fear, stress, and emotional pain. Accepting the present moment doesn't mean you cannot take action. It means your actions come from clarity, not ego. Surrender opens the door to spiritual growth and inner freedom. When you stop resisting, life flows more naturally and solutions appear effortlessly. Thanks for listening. If this episode inspired you or helped you understand the power of presence just a little more, make sure to subscribe so you never miss the next chapter.